So one common question you may ask is, should I outsource landing pages? If you're in the very beginning, no, you should not outsource landing pages. Why shouldn't you? You want to know whenever you're building out landing pages, whether they're good or bad, how to do it. You do not have to be an expert in building landing pages, but you should be knowledgeable and understand it. Because eventually in your business, you're going to start outsourcing different aspects. You may outsource tracking, landing pages, people setting up ads for you, but you do not have to be an expert in every task, but you need to be knowledgeable. So in the beginning, do not outsource landing pages. Now, if you do not feel that you're creative and you do not want to take the time to set it up, or maybe you're just too busy, I'm going to show you a couple places that you can go and outsource that part of your business. Have other individuals put their creativity to that landing page. So let's dive right in. So if you've never seen this site is actually called Fiverr, and you can actually outsource work on Fiverr. You can get work done for about $5 to $10 or more, depending on what you actually want done. I've spent thousands on Fiverr with my business. Now, let's think about landing pages. A lot of the people on Fiverr who I go to if I need something for HTML or something very tech side. So if you've never heard of this site, Fiverr is a place where you can actually go and outsource. There's people from all around the world, India, Pakistan, United States, Canada, United Kingdom. There's people from all over the world, and the reason you can get prices cheaper here is because in other parts of the world, the cost of living is a lot cheaper than, let's just say, for United Kingdom, for example. So you can actually come here and outsource landing pages, emails, anything you want to outsource. Now keep in mind, a lot of the people you outsource to, they are not marketers. They're not super affiliates. They know how to build landing pages. They understand the tech side of what we do. So let's just scroll down, and what you can do is you can actually come here and just type in landing pages. And then you can circle through some people. Now right here there it says relevance. I like to just go by best selling. And then filter down. So let's just look at this one for example. I actually just opened it up in a tab. So take a look at this landing page. Get instant access. So with my experience, if this was my landing page, make $100 a day with this new system. So when users actually come to this landing page, this is actually going to be pretty hard to read. Now, if they're coming on mobile, they're 100% most likely not going to see that background over to the left. So now let's take a look at this one. So this landing page looks decent, but then again, if they're on mobile, they may not see a lot of this background unless you're targeting desktop. So right here, $30, $100. So now they're saying how they convince a lot of people to use their services is that they say autoresponder integration. You're going to be learning that. That can literally be done in 30 seconds. But a lot of the people who come to these sites, they don't understand a lot of the technology side of marketing. So with ClickFunnels, with Build-A-Rail, with Lead Pages, or any funnel builder, connecting the email is very simple. But a lot of the people here, I would say they take advantage of someone being a newbie. So just be wary of that, and that's why I want you to learn and implement before you outsource, so then you know someone's not ripping you off in your business. So now keep in mind, if you're using WordPress or HTML, you can even come here and just put in HTML landing pages. Here we go, we got some people who loaded right up. So yeah, make sure to check this out if you're aiming on outsourcing and you may not have time. You may want to just outsource this part of your business. So another good site you can actually go to is Upwork. Now you can actually find freelancers on this site, but the difference with Upwork versus Fiverr, if you're using Upwork, you're going to spend a lot more money. Typically the quality will be higher. So if you decide you want to use Upwork, you can create an account and then post it here and then look for web developers. You can look for people who are experts in this field. So keep in mind, if you want to outsource, I would 100% recommend if you're just outsourcing landing pages in the future, and let's just say you want to use HTML or something that's very techy, come to Fiverr because you can find quality people doing the work for $5 to $10.